How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm going to do an unboxing of one of my favorite kits, and it's going to be the Lancia Delta S4 1986 Monte Carlo rally version from Aoshima Beemax. You can see right there. I'm going to get the glare off of it. I bought this kit. You can see the side box view right there. And I bought this kit, and I bought the when I bought it, I also bought the detail up version. So I got the right here, the detail up parts. You can see right there. It's got like 4 sheets of photo etch parts, a couple of sheets or 3 sheets of like carbon fiber decals, and then it's got your aerial, metal aerial, and it's got your seat belt, your red seat belt material. Now that was extra, you know, I had to, when this kit came out, you could get that was available, but you had to order it extra, so I did. So sit back and enjoy. It's going to be a slideshow picture video of the unboxing, so sit back and enjoy. Thank you.